Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope you are fine and welcome back to the virtual classes after a short break. And I'm your class teacher Bilal Ahmed for the blue section, and for the red section Mr. Ishfaq Ahmed is your class teacher, and I'm your English teacher as well. Today this is a very introductive lesson and introductive lecture for your introduction of the books, that how many subjects you are going to study in this session and what are the books. There is a very short introduction of all the books as a class teacher by me. So your first book is English. Textbook of English for grade 10. Textbook board, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Textbook Board, Peshawar. This is the front side of your English book, and this is your back side of your English book. And the publisher is Leading Book Publishers. And keep in mind, you have to check the academic session, academic year, printed for academic year 19 to 20, 2019 to 2020. Due to pandemic situation, maybe you cannot find the book of academic year of 20 to 21. So if you find that is, if you purchase that book, that is also good. And if you purchase the academic year of 2019 to 20 book, that is also fine. And these books are very easily available in the market. And in this English book, there is this is the content, table of content, and the 15 chapters. There are 15 chapters, and in these 15 chapters, 11 are prose and 4 are poetry, 4 are poems. Next book is your Pakistan study. And again, you have to check one thing, that your book must be Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Textbook Board, Peshawar. This is the front side of your Pakistan studies book. This is the back side. And Leading Book Publisher. The publisher is Leading Book Publisher. And you have to check again the academic year of 19 to 20. If 20 to 21 is available, that is fine. And table of content, you have to study 4 chapters in this year in the book of Pakistan study. Did you get? I hope you are getting me. And next book is your Urdu book, Urdu Lazmi, Jamaat Behan, Leading Book Publisher. This is the front side of your book. And again, you have to check Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Textbook Board, Peshawar. This is the back side of your Urdu book, and you have to study 9 chapters. This is the content pack. 9 chapters. Your first chapter is Maulvi Abdul Haq, and some poems that you will study in this book. Next is your Islamiyat book. Islamiyat book, here you can see Islamiyat book Jamaat Behan. It is for the 9th class and 10th class as well. The first part of the book you have studied in the 9th class, and the second half you will study in this 10th class. If you have the previous book of the 9th class, you can also use that book in this session as well. Okay. Now next is your mathematics book. Textbook of mathematics for grade 10. Here the grade 10 is written. Here the written test edition. Don't confuse by it. It is test edition, but it is you can use this book. This is the back side of your mathematics book, and in this book you can also have to check the academic year. If 19 to 20 it is written, that is fine. And you will study 13 chapter. First chapter is quadratic equation, and last chapter is practical geometry. This is the content of your mathematics. This is your front side. Next is physics for grade 10. Textbook for physics, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Textbook Board, Peshawar. And again, back side you have to check the Leading Book Publisher. And third thing that you have to check, that is your academic session, academic year 19 to 20 or 20 to 21. And in the physics book you will study chapter 10 to 18. First chapter is simple harmonic motion and waves. This is your content. This is your physics book. Next is chemistry. Chemistry. Again, at the top here, test edition is written. Again, I am saying that don't confuse by it. Chemistry grade 10, textbook board Peshawar, and this is the back side of your chemistry book. And don't forget to check the academic session, academic year of 19 to 20 or 20 to 21. This is the content here. This is the content of your chemistry, and you will study chapter number 9 to chapter number 16, chemical equilibrium 2, and last chapter is chemical industries. You will study these things in this chemistry book. And last, your biology book. This is the front side of your biology book. Test edition is again written here. Don't confuse by it. A textbook of biology for grade 10. Next thing that you have to check, that is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Textbook Board Peshawar, and then you have to check the leading book publisher, and then check the academic session 19 to 20 or 20 to 21. And in this book you will study chapter number 10, gaseous exchange, to check chapter number 10 to 18, and the 18th chapter is pharmacy. This is your table of content, and I hope you have got the lecture, and all these books are easily available in the market. And don't forget, your online classes will be started on 18th May 2020.